Doctors in India are warning the health system is at breaking point as the country's coronavirus crisis deepens.
India has recorded the world's highest ever number of new infections for the second day in a row, reporting more than 330,000 new cases. A warning: the following report does contain images that some viewers may find distressing.
The emergency room of one of Delhi's biggest hospitals. They're constantly having to move out the dead to make way for more. And most of those in this room are dying, and they haven't been admitted yet to the hospital. The doctors are simply overwhelmed, scrambling for oxygen and reduced to begging for help on social media. India set a worldwide record nobody wants. For a second day running, it topped the number of global daily coronavirus cases. They're shocked and ashamed at how the country's healthcare system is all but breaking. The weak and ill have spilled out onto the pavement outside, and there's no dignity in death here. The final few breaths taken by this man came after his brother had begged for oxygen for him for 6 hours. Some turned up barely able to walk, only to turn around immediately after being told they'd be better off trying elsewhere. Whilst this family brought their mother, but saw her die minutes after reaching what they hoped was help. This hospital is useless, she's shouting. But it's not isolated in its inability to cope right now. Only grief is here in abundance. Distraught relatives found no beds, little oxygen, few staff, and even less hope.
I have a message for the government. Please do something, and please release some oxygen supply. People need it here. People need beds here. People need meds here. People need wards here. People need injections. People need medicines.
And there are deep worries that the figures could be even more alarmingly high, with so many deaths unreported or unlogged.
The numbers of people who appear to be very ill indeed continues to build outside this hospital, and still none of them being admitted, which seems to indicate that if this is happening to one of the biggest hospitals in the capital, what on earth is happening outside of the capital?
And almost certainly there are more added to these grim statistics with every single hour.
Yesterday we came here with our father, just here, but no one came to see him. He just shouting that see me, no one came, he died. And now I came with my grandfather, no one seen.
No one's seen him either.
All they can do is wait and plead. If he's taken in, and that's not guaranteed, he'll be immersed into this. One man told us there were just 7 oxygen cylinders for 70 people. India's now home to the world's fastest growing coronavirus crisis, with virus mutations which seem resistant to the vaccines. They seem unable to control it and unprepared to deal with it.